Hi, in today's video, I'm going to share with you how do you fix a leaking water tap, your kitchen water tap. Okay, see this? There's this. Ah, drop it. It's leaking, so I'm going to fix it. Okay, fix it. So you need to turn off your water supply first before you do it, and you need to get this. Okay. This is to open the back of the water tap, and also you need pliers. Okay, you need to get a bowl, new bowl. Okay, I'm going to turn off my water tap at the bottom of the tap. Okay, just check whether is it okay. So I turn it off and then I remove at the behind. There's actually cover. Just remove it, and then behind there's actually a screw. So you need to unscrew it. It's small. Okay, go behind and try to find. Unscrew. Okay, unscrew it. So this is the screw. We need to unscrew. Okay, unscrew it. Okay, unscrew. And then you need to take out this valve. Take out the valve and replace with a new one. Yeah, I'm going to use my pliers. Just turn anti-clockwise. There you go. Move. Move. So I'm going to replace this. For a new one. Just insert in. And then you turn it clockwise. Okay, make sure it's tightened. Then you pull back. Okay, this tab. And make sure the ring is put in. Okay. Make sure you can fit in. Okay. Then you put back your screw. And tighten it. Okay, tighten it. this is anti-clockwise because I think I got problem getting it out of stock. I think it's stuck. I'm going to use my plier, see whether I can get it out. Okay, managed to get it out. Yeah. So you need to add soap detergent to it to get it out. Okay, now I'm going to try to put it back. So I'm going to put this. Okay, unscrew this. Some have screws. I'm going to turn on the tap. I'm going to turn on the water supply and then tap. Okay. Now okay. And now to put this cover back at the back. So there's a hole here. Just put it back. Okay. Put it back. There you go. That's how to fix a lacking tap. The new bar.